Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the all-new 2021 Ford Bronco Sport in a Big Bend trim and powered by a 1.5-liter EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power and fuel efficiency for getting around, and with obvious 4x4 capabilities, you're going to be able to get around pretty well in the changing weather conditions. But let's take a look inside. And first, looking in the back, we have a pretty spacious cargo area that can always be expanded by folding down your rear seats. On the sides, on both sides, you do have these sort of hook points for tying down your cargo or whatever else you want. Do have articulating cargo lights, which can be, kind of moved around like so. And you have a 12 volt on this side, and underneath your rugged cargo mat, you do have your spare tire with compartments around for extra tools or other equipment. And then when you close this hatch, you do also have a separately opening glass hatch for easy access. And then looking at the back seat, we have seating for 3 comfortably with fold-out armrests with 2 cup holders here. USB and USB-C down there in the middle, and the backs of the front seats do have zippered pockets for more storage and sort of nylon rigging so you can hook your equipment to that. This vehicle does also have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your car. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a fully power adjustable driver's seat. And now sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your trip information, your My View with a digital speedometer, driver assistance features, navigation controls, radio controls, and phone controls. And then you have information about your vehicle, such as maintenance info. But then moving on to the left side, where you have your cruise controls with adaptive steering and distance pacing technology. You also have your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom of the steering wheel, and your lane keeping system on the end of the signal stalk there. But then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio series and Bluetooth capable, so you have some options there. And you have your Bluetooth phone controls, your navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost on your travels, whatever apps you may have installed, and settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. But then shifting it into reverse, you do also have a backup camera, so you're going to be able to see where you're going, hopefully avoid hitting anything, with dynamic hitch view, so you can zoom in, have an easier time hooking up a small trailer or something of the sort. And moving down from your screen, you have your media controls here, as well as your auto start stop shut off and your hazards with a cubby beneath that. And then moving down from that, you have your climate controls here with heated front seats with 3 levels each, so you can stay cozy in the colder months. You have another cubby area down here with a 12 volt USB and USB-C, so you can plug something in a power charge from there. And then you have your main shifter here on a dial, very convenient. Your parking brake, brake hold, 2 cup holders, and your GOAT modes. I believe that goes over any terrain. So you have modes such as sand, normal, eco, sport, and slippery, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. But then you have your center compartment / armrest here, which is pretty spacious and has another 12 volt inside, so you can plug something in from there too. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.